From Horizon Studio, and today I have something different for you guys. So you're looking at an image and you love this color grading of this image and you wish you could just copy that color grading and paste it on your own image. Well, I have the right trick to do that with just one adjustment layer. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. So this image was shot by Horizon Studio, right here at our studio, and this is our image, and we're trying to copy off this color grading and paste it right on this image with just one adjustment layer. But to do that is very simple. To just come to your reference image, then go to File, Export, Save for Web. Now what you're going to do is you're going to change this from JPEG to GIF. And you might have colors like this. These are all the colors that made up this image. So now I only need 3 colors. So I'm not going to change these colors to 3. And I have this. So what I want to do is click on this icon here, then save this color table. I'm going to put that in my picture folder because it's quite easier for me to get to. So I'll call it color grading. Save. Now it has been saved. We don't need this anymore, so we're going to cancel it and go back to our image. Now I want to load that color swatch. I want to load that color table into this image. Now to do that, you might not have these windows. To do that, just come to Windows, swatches. Then you have this. Now you want to load that, those colors into these swatches. To do that, just press this hamburger, click on this hamburger, then import swatches. Go to your picture folder and you will see this AOC. Of course, you wouldn't see your swatches, so you have to change this ACO to ACT color table. Now this is what we are looking for, color grading.act. Load that into your color swatches and you will have this. Then this becomes visible right here. Now we want to start inserting these colors into this image. Now like I said, we're using just one adjustment layer, which is our gradient map. So select our gradient map right here. Now we have shadows and highlights. This does not really matter because we would actually have to punch in our own figures ourselves. So we're going to select the first one and change the color to this one. Now we want to take note of this B right here, that is brightness. So we have hue, saturation, brightness. Then RGB simply means red, green and blue, but that does not matter. So we only need this B right here, that is 76. So you just have to click on OK and paste that 76 on this location. So we're going to punch that in 76. Then the next color, we're going to choose the other orange here. So the brightness here is 53. Paste in 53 right here. And the last figure is this one and 33. So you just click on OK and punch in 33 there, and that is it. And change this blending options from normal to soft light. You could either play with overlay or soft light, whichever works for you, but I would use soft light for this image. And I'll drop my opacity because it seems too reddish. That's because I have more red on this picture. So I'll drop my soft light to about it's about 40. Yeah, it's about 40. Let's see what that is. So look at before and after. See how it's copied that color grading just like that, before and after. Now there are 2 methods of doing this. Either you use this or you use crops, or you could also use the both of them. So I'll show you guys how to do the other method. Now we want to go back to our image and have a new empty layer. Select your hard brush, make sure your brush is set to the hard one, and you want to copy the highlights, the midtones and the shadow from this image. from the skin of the models. Now let's use the skin of the models. So the highlights, I'll come here, pick my highlights, paste that there. My midtones, I'll pick my midtones from here, and I'll paste that in. Then my shadows also, I'll copy my shadows on the darkest part of the image. It seems to be this part. I'm just working with the model skin right now, and I'll just paste that under here. So I'll just copy this empty layer, Ctrl or Command C to copy. Then go back to our image, then Ctrl or Command feed it to paste in like that. Yep. So now we have our highlight, midtones, and shadows. So we have to select our gradient map and choose curved adjustment layer. Now this is our highlights, shadows, and midtones. This three eyedropper tool represents highlights, midtones, and shadows. So you click on the highlight first and click on the highlights. Oops, it's not selecting. The reason why is because we didn't select the icon, so we have to go back and select this main icon here. Double click on the icon, select the highlights eyedropper, and click on the highlights. Now you want to take note of this figure 94. No, sorry, we're not using those anymore. I forgot. Just click on OK. Nope. And click on the highlights on this model skin. Boom. That's fine. Then the next thing is our midtones. Go back to our midtones, then click on the midtones color here. Okay, now I want to pick the midtones from the main image. Midtones. That's too much. You want to just keep clicking until you find the right spots to stay with, that you are happy with. So just keep clicking on the midtones to see. I actually like this, but let's just keep going further. I like the red, and also like this. I just have to stick with one, right? So okay. Well, I'm just going to pick the red and drop the opacity. That's what I'll do. I'll pick the red and drop the opacity. And for my shadows, same thing. Click, then click on the shadows. The shadows sometimes gives issues because it will change the whole dark part now to give it a reddish tint. Boom. So you have to keep clicking on the shadows also to find a sweet spot for this. Sometimes I tend to just keep the shadows and not use it at all. I just keep my highlights and my midtones, and I think I should do that for this image. I'm liking what I'm seeing here with the blue. Yeah, I'll leave it at this point. Although I have this blue thing on her hair, bluish purple on her hair. That's because it's from the main image. I'm just going to keep clicking to find the sweet spots. I kind of like it like this, yeah. So I'm just going to stick with this. Turn this off, and I'll drop my opacity a bit. So about 50, or is it 50, or is 55. So before and after. Now let's put that in a group and let's see where we are with our old image and our new. So this is our before and after. Like, see how we transform this image from looking like this to looking like this. Now most of the colors you'll notice here is the red and the purple or the blue. That's because we have more of reds and the kind of tint on our skin. So that is just the two ways to copy a color grading for my image and paste it on yours. So thanks for watching, guys. I would really like it if you guys would subscribe and like our videos and drop some comments. Tell us what you'd like to see in our next video. and I will deliver that to you guys. So I'll see you guys in the next video.